Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons video. It's Ivan once again, and today I want to talk about a very crucial subject, and that is email marketing. Now, why is this so important? In email marketing, you can truly own your audience. You can showcase your content and talk to your subscribers directly without the algorithm getting in the way of that. Although email has no algorithm, it does take into account some factors to decide whether your email gets sent into their inbox or to spam. So a quick tip to increase your sender reputation and deliverability is to add a physical address to your footer. Per requirement of the FCC and ICANN spam guidelines, every marketing email should have a physical address of the sender in their footer. This is to filter out spam senders. This could be your actual address, however, something like a PO box would be better. This is a very small yet effective hack, and I'm going to show you how to do it with Beacons. Head into Beacons on the left-hand navigation, click on Email Marketing. At the top, click on the last tab called Settings, and right here, you'll see the physical address section. Go ahead and put either your address or a PO box. Now, this will fix any future emails you send from now on. However, this won't change currently running automations. To add to already running automations, go into Automations and click View Details on the email automation that you want to change. Then click on the actual email. Once you're in the product builder, you can hover over the footer, and here is where you can add the physical address. And that's it. Let us know in the comments if you want more email deliverability hacks and other content that you want to see. If you want to try this out for yourself, check out the link in the description and sign up for Beacons for free. And while you're at it, check out our other apps. Make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. Alright guys, see you next time.